Welcome to the Chiefs Arena, and today we will be discussing our striker options: who starts, who stays on the bench, who should leave. Make sure to smash a like, get your thoughts in down on the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So we are really blessed in that department. We have plenty of strikers: Wandile Duba, Ashley Dupree, Khanyisa Mayo, Echosai Kotaro, Flavio Silva, Naledi Hlongwane, Patrick Morris. Seven, and only one can play. Maybe two can stay on the bench, meaning four won't even make the traveling squad. So it's going to be a headache for Nezreddin Nabi and his technical team. So we're going to go through each and every striker on the list. So let's start with Patrick Morris. I think Patrick Morris is definitely not part of the plans. I think he's not part of Nabi's plans for this season. He has failed to establish himself as an important player to the team. He had to score for Kaizer Chiefs, joined the club in January. He had to feature this season. He doesn't even make the bench, So Durban City sent in a loan offer for him. Don't know how that is going to work out, but keep an eye on that one. Patrick Morris is definitely not starting, definitely not even making the bench. So this one is a sell. Now let's go to Ashley Dupree. I think Ashley Dupree is very different, from the other six. He is unique in his own way, He has tremendous pace, can run in behind, can also play wide, Not the best finisher, but on his day, he is a good finisher, So I think Ashley Dupree is going to play a strong part to this team. I think Ashley Dupree will make the bench. I think we will see Ashley Dupree coming in here and there, I think he is very useful, especially when we're playing against the high line, So I think Ashley Dupree is still going to play a huge part to Kaizer Chiefs this season. Naledi Hlongwane, still young. He started the first game against Stellenbosch, and I think he played well. Didn't feature after that, He's still young. I think we're going to see very less of him. I think he will spend most of his time with the DDC team, but we will see him making the bench here and there, maybe getting some few minutes, but I don't think he's going to be an important player, key player, but I think we are still going to see him often. Wandile Duba, our number one striker last season. I think he was our best striker last season. This season, he had to hit the ground running. I think he has started 3 games. I think Wandile Duba is definitely going to make the matchday squad. I think he is going to play a lot of minutes. I think we are going to see him coming in from the bench every now and then. They also like to play him wide, and I don't think that's his best position, But as a number 9, I think Wandile Duba is still going to play an important role to the team. I think Wandile Duba is still going to play regardless of Khanyisa Mayo's edition. Now let's go to Flavio Silva. I think Flavio Silva was meant to be our number 1 striker, but due to his to the delay to his paperwork, Wandile Duba stepped in and was our number 1 against Golden Arrows. That was his first game this season, and he came in and he scored. So he's a new signing, so he's obviously going to get more minutes. So from the 4 I've counted so far, I think Flavio Silva is ahead of them. I think Flavio Silva is going to play more minutes than them, unless injuries happen, or he's missing chances, he's not performing. But as of now, Flavio Silva is ahead of the other 4. Now let's go to Echosai Kotaro. He had to feature this season. He's a new signing. He's injured currently. I think because he's a new signing, I think he is going to get minutes. Probably not going to be our number one striker, not going to be our second choice striker, but we are going to see him a lot of times, because he's a new signing, he has to get a chance to prove himself, so I think we are going to see a lot of Echiosa Ighodaro. The last one, obviously the new addition, Khanyisa Mayo. Personally, I think Khanyisa Mayo should be our first choice striker. He can also play on the right, so Khanyisa Mayo is definitely going to play a lot of games. Him and Flavio Silva are going to play a lot of games in my option. So my picking order is as follows: Khanyisa Mayo first, Flavio Silva second, Wandile Duba third, Ighodaro fourth, Dupreez fifth, Hlongwane sixth, and lastly Tashreeq Morris if the transfer window closes without him being sold or loaned out. So let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Who should start, who should be on the bench, who should be sold? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm out.